chick this bad. I ain't worried about that. You ain't never been with a chick this bad. I ain't worried about the mother girls that you had. Catch you looking at my booty, I'ma laugh. You gon' keep it real, I ain't worried about that. You ain't never been with a chick this bad. I ain't worried about the mother girls that you had.
Athlete, get your damn shit together.
Don't worry, I'm not naked. I have on clothes. Got you. Hey, pretties, welcome back to my channel. I really wanted to do a realistic get ready with me because this is like this is really how it go. Like, I don't know what to wear. I'll be waking up late. Yeah. So I already washed my face, brushed my teeth, and took a shower. Basically, I always go in this drawer to get like lotions and stuff. I have like a lot of lotions. I love lotions. I always watch Shameless in the morning. I'm obsessed with Shameless. I used to watch it like 3 years ago, and I'm back to watching this. I'm on season 7. I gotta catch up because there's 11 seasons. Well, it's gonna be 11 seasons. So I take out my Cetaphil. I need that. I need deodorant, of course. I need my primers, and I need my lotion, because if I don't put on lotion, my skin will be itching me all day because I have eczema, and it gets really irritated when it's dry. Like, even when as soon as I get out the shower, I cannot, sometimes I be so tired, I just want to go to sleep and just sleep in my, you know, my pajamas real quick, or not even lotion my body, and it's a bad experience for me. Like, I regret it all the time. So literally, I don't do it at all. I have to put on lotion. So I do my face first just because I don't want to touch my body and then my face. Even though it's clean, I don't know. I still do that anyway. First, I use Cetaphil just to moisturize. I take like this, well, not this much, because this is a lot. Then I take my primers for my dark spots. As you guys can see, I have dark spots and I want to get rid of them. And if you have dark spots, I really recommend you use Primary Skin Success before going to a dermatologist, because you never know, it may work for you. It's working for me, but I'm still using like medical prescriptions too. Alright, oh shoot. Alright guys, so I changed it to my robe. Now I'm more comfortable because that towel was mad hot and I'm cold. I mean, mad cold and I'm cold right now. So I put on my deodorant. Well, I'm not telling you guys these things. I'm about to just do it and you guys could just see for yourself. I'm putting on deodorant and I'm gonna lotion myself, which I'm not gonna show that because perverty. Alright guys, so I always do my hair first. Y'all already know that. Just because I feel like with my hair, don't have time for my makeup. At least my hair is done. You don't want to walk around with full face. Like I was saying, you don't want to walk around with a full face of makeup and then your hair looking crazy. I got my hair done yesterday by my hairstylist, Lush Styles by Patience. She's warm dog warm. So yeah, this hair's from Iseehair. I want to say before you guys know that I'm wearing it again because I love it. I use weightless coconut oil just to hydrate the hair and so it won't get like dry and stuff, and also to give like a silky finish when I find. Alright guys, so I have a game today, so yeah, I will probably just vlog that too, because I had games this whole week. I just didn't vlog it because it was last minute. I really didn't know we had all games this whole week until they told me at one of the chair meetings. So yeah, we had a game yesterday but it got canceled. I wasn't gonna go to that anyways, but it still got canceled, so yeah. And then we have a game today, and that's the last game. Today's the last one of the last. Today is the last game for the boys, I think. The girls still have like a couple more games. I don't know, but yeah. But Regents Week is next week, so I don't have no school, so I'm not worried about that. So yeah. Oh, and the girls had a game on Monday, I think, but I didn't go because I had a doctor's appointment. Oh, well, dermatologist appointment. Oh yeah, and my pageant's tomorrow, so your girl's pretty busy. Period. Alright, now I'm gonna do my makeup. Y'all already know how that goes. Cause I have a whole tutorial out now. Go watch it. Really detailed. I'm gonna be running out of my Too Faced Born This Way multi-sculpting, I guess, concealer. I barely have anything left. Like, it's ridiculous.
Shoes.
Alright guys, so my makeup is done. Let me set it. I always forget to set. I'm gonna use Iconic London. And now I'm putting my outfit. I really don't know what I'm wearing. I have it in mind, but I really don't know. I already have my uniform in my bag and all that. I gotta bring an extra pair of shoes. Got to wear all black shoes. And that's it. So let's go. Let's get ready. Let's go. I hate when this happens. I freaking curl this. I mean, straighten this because I always get. So by 7:50, I'm usually done getting ready because I get up at like 6:15. So now I have to put on my jacket and everything. I have my outfit super simple. I just need to get some jewelry. So let's get that. I don't know what I want to wear. Maybe this. Mesh with my butterfly. And my name necklace. See, we're gonna do that. This chain is from my collection. I've already noticed. I wear this often to spice up the outfit. Like this shirt is basic, so I need to make it look like something extra. And I have the link for this necklace too. Let's go get my shoes and my gold. Do you know what this coat? Not you. Okay. So I'm gonna wear this coat and these shoes. I'm wearing these shoes because these are lightweight and I need to put my trade uniform. Tangerines! Thank you, thank you. Y'all see my uniform already in there? Don't mind that staying at my mom gonna wash that. Put these in my bra. Glitter all over my floor because of my dress. Guys, so my jacket is from shop-nyc. She's Brooklyn based, so if you need to pick up anything, she might have some things available. So this is really cute. It's just like my blue one, but this one is more affordable. I'm not gonna lie to you guys, it's less money. My shirt is from African Mall, I want to say. It's just a regular plain black turtleneck. My chains is from the jewelers. One is from the jewelers. One of my chains from the jewelers that says my name, Icylinn. Let me show you guys. Yeah, this one is from the jewelers, and then the butterfly one is from my collection. My jeans are from American Eagle. I love American Eagle jeans. And ooh, my shoes are from STALK X. Alright guys, I forgot that I was vlogging, but I'm about to walk to school right now. So I'll see you guys when I get to school. Are you making a cradle?
It pumps the blood back into your body.
That shit made me squirmy.
It was wrong.
I can't do it. That's why I couldn't be a doctor. Like this.
Let me give y'all a hold.
Alright, this is what I got.
Alright, I got a strawberry sauce. Yeah?
Yeah, that shit.
Take it out, centrifuge it back.
I made my shit in less than 2
I think they did something wrong. Probably the truth is I moved.
What happened, guys?
And the needle like left the vein.
Oh.
And they were putting the blood back in, but it wasn't in the vein.
This is my
arm was
okay, I gotta fill up shot.
Oh.
Yeah, I have a tiny arm.
She's from Brooklyn, so you can go to her. Well, you're not from Brooklyn, right?
Yo, guys, look.
Well, you're from New York.
Look.
Alright, anyways, I got a large strawberry acai, and I got me a ham and cheese croissant. Caitlin's gonna teach me the TikTok. It's like, gross. They right that? Oh, this. I thought it was. Alright.
Okay.
Yeah. I think I did. Oh, I did that. I put the snap. Shit. Do you see me with it done?
I should got one more. I mean, not.
This is the most fun class, bro. I have to knock away because he won't take me, so.
When an active plan disobedience, as he refused to leave the right partner, which will even in public accommodations.
A quick background, and let's look at.
This is the location
I supposed to be in BSU, but they don't even know what they be doing in here. Where's Cameron? Are you supposed to be doing BSU?
Yes.
You're not doing it. Oh my god.
Yes, I'm the assistant. She's not paying me. This is child labor endangerment. It's because I'm fat. My wife, follow me on Instagram at Modest _ She follows me. I'm the assistant. When this video goes up, she'll post me.
Wait, let me put these away. I'm gonna do a renegade for y'all. Oh, I'm not down here. I'm fucking. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8, 2. Wait. I'm gonna rest. We get off next stop, so it don't matter, but we have to go to Shake Shack on a little date or whatever. I'm bad. What is better? Alright, guys, so we just got the train.
I'm still gonna get it, but the fact that they lied.
She thought she was gonna get it right now. No, but that's a 24 hours. So we sweating or whatever.
Are we really?
Yes.
Oh, we're ones? But these are the ugly ones. I'm just wearing it because it matches with the shirt.
Alright, guys, we're for the shoot. Oh, okay. Oh, cool. That's cool. We just gonna act like we never got paid just now. We just know. Alright, guys, let me show y'all a little haul of what I got. Okay. Hey guys, I'm at Shake Shack now. Y'all already know that. Let me show y'all what I got. Oh my, I'm trying something new, the Shake Minister. I don't know what it's called. And it has onion rings, bacon, and cheese. I just need to Shack by the Anthony. Got my cheese down like always. They put me on that and my lemonade, my small lemonade. So hi, show me what you got. She got Shake Shack because Chick-fil-A, because she like Shake Shack. That's me. Alright guys, I'll be back when I'm going back to school and I have to change the insurance game. Even though we're gonna lose because it's the girl game, but it's okay.
I'd rather keep it real with ya. Real hot girl shit.
Alright guys, so I'm ready to chill. You can see my outfit is on.
She in the way.
You ready to go for the game? Wait, what game is this? Wait, this is the
Boys.
game. Oh, we're ready to go for the motherfucking game. Oh, we winning. Period. Go whatever we are.
Can't wait till it's my turn.
Hey guys, so your girl's back home. Sorry if you can hear my heater in the background. Well, literally right here because it's on and it's cold. It's chilly. This is the end of the video. This is really like my morning, I guess, school routine of the whole day. I didn't really get to film too much because my phone died during the game, but we did win 104 to 64, I think. Yeah, we hit them with the who run this? We run this GYM. I did end up getting my eyebrows done and then my lip done, but I didn't record that because it was dark and it be hurting. I couldn't have record where I'd be like, so yeah. Until your girl become a pro, we gonna just leave that for the professionals. I did eat my Wendy's. I have some baconated fries, but I have to pack for Miss Teen New York, USA. So I'm gonna end this video off right now. I hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more videos of your girl Icy, and I'm gonna see you guys in my next video. I love you guys so much. Have a blessed day. You shine and boo. All right, you a baddie, and don't let nobody else tell you otherwise. Bye, pretties.